こんにちは。改めて私はジョアナです。じゃあ今日はごめんToday we will learn about the days of the month. So what's that? In English it is a little bit different because we say today is the 1st of February, the 2nd, the 3rd. So it's not like we say 3, we say 3rd, 4th. In Spanish it's very easy. You just say the number and then you say day. Oh, sorry, backwards. You say day and then you say the number. But in Japanese, we do have a few, half of the days of the month are irregular. So this is what we will be seeing here today. How to say is the 1st of January, is the 2nd of February, etc. And let's start with this. How can we ask what day is it? So we would say, 何日ですか? 何日ですか? What day is it? 何日ですか? Then Then to say the days of the month, it's very simple. You say the number and then you say nichi. So for example, let's say we want to say it's day 12, the 12th. 冗談 is the day 12, so we would say 12日. 12日. So you say 12 and then you add nichi. If you still don't know the numbers in Japanese, I recommend you to go to the video that I did a few weeks ago about the numbers. So you need to know the numbers to say the days of the month. Okay, so day 12, 12日. Another example, day 15, 15日. But then we have the irregular days of the month that are, for example, the following. From 1 to 10, they are completely different of what we know about the numbers. So this, you need to memorize it. There is no other way of doing it. You need to memorize this. So for example, the months, we didn't need to memorize anything because it was number plus month, but the days of the month, we do need to memorize. So, okay, let's work hard. So I will tell you from 1 to 10 now. So day 1, the first is 1日. Day 2, 2日. Day 3, 3日. Day 4, 8日. Day 5, 5日. Day 6, 6日. Day 7, 7日. Day 8, 8日. Day 9, 9日. And day 10, 10日. So, the two that are a little bit harder is 4 and 8 because 4 and 8 here, they look super alike. The thing is, if you say 4, it's with little tsu, so 4日. If you say 8, it's with u, so 8日. You try to make the yo longer in 8 and shorter in the number 4, and you will be okay. So, this is not only the ones that are different, then the ones that finish with 4 and 9 sound also a little bit different, and also the day 20, who knows why, it's also very different. So day 14 would be 14日. So as you can see, we say 4 as we did with the numbers from 1 to 10, the days of the month from 1 to 10, so 14日. Then with the number 9, when we do like 19 and 29, it will change to ku. So 19 would be 19日. Then 20 is 20日. Then 24, 24日. And then 29 is 29日. So this would be also a little bit different, but in this case, if you remember that 4 is always 4日 with the months, and then that 9 is ku, I think you can make it not that hard. So let's practice. How would you say day 5 in Japanese, do you think? Day 5. So day 5 in Japanese is 5日. 5日. How would you say day 20 in Japanese? So day 20 is 20日. How do you think you would say day 14 in Japanese? So day 14 in Japanese is 14日. 14日. Okay, done. I hope you liked this video very much, and we see us in another one. またね. Bye bye.